Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be doing a haul video, okay? I bought some stuff from Walmart, from Ramwe, which is an online clothes, accessory, home decor. Ramwe sell everything, they sell everything, alright? But before we get into all of that, please remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you're enjoying the content, okay? And don't forget to drop me a comment if you have anything to say. Turn on that post notification, guys, while you're at it so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video, okay? Without any further ado, let's get into this video.
Bad mind and jealousy just get
The first thing we are going to get into is the Walmart beauty box, okay? So this is what it looks like. Oh, and I'm wearing the same clothes from my previous video because it's the same day. Alright. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing I see, which I'm very pleased about, is these press-on nails. And this is from Salon Perfect. Right? I don't know if you can make out the lovely designs, but I love press-ons. So I was extremely happy when I saw this. Let me just show you what inside is looking like. So, okay, alright. Not going to work. Alright, so the Walmart box, I did not mention that this video is a mess. Alright, so the Walmart box is for $5. You pay $5 every month and you get sample size products. And some full size stuff are like, in this case, you just get some stuff for $5. And I don't mind it because I'm a product junkie. So yeah, first thing is these press-ons, and I love press-ons, you know. And then we are going to go into the other product now, which is the Hello Anti-Plaque Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. And that's what that looks like. Alright. I'm excited about trying this toothpaste, and it's whitening as well. Who doesn't want white teeth? I think something fell out of this box a while ago. The other product is still from the Hello brand, and it's the charcoal infused toothbrush. This is what that looks like. It's a black toothbrush. It says it's soft. Who use soft toothbrush? But anyways, we'll try it. And the Biore Love Your Pores Daily Purifying Cleanser. Alright, so I wanted to try the Biore products for my acne prone skin, as you can see, but I was worried about, oh, and this has in charcoal too. I was worried about this product because I saw where it had some flecks in it and I wasn't sure if they were exfoliating beads, so I did not go ahead and buy it because of that reason. Exfoliating beads kind of caused me to break out more. Products with chemical exfoliants works for me, so I'm happy I got that because I really wanted to try it, and this is the purpose of these boxes. You spend a little bit of money and you get to try products that you always wanted to try. Alright, so next product is Suave Professional Curl Defining Cream, and it's in a sample size pack. Again, like a little, there's, what's this, a sachet? I don't know. First ingredient I see here, is it the first? No. Alright, well, this has in cones, but I'll still try it, I think. The next thing is a Calm Tea Magnesium Supplement, and that's what this looks like. Sorry. This is a tea, I think. Then you have some discount codes that you get from Walmart. So if you buy any Suave products, you'll get $2 off. Right? $2 off coupon. Yeah. So yeah. And that's the end of the Walmart box. Not bad. I'm really happy to get this because press-ons alone, a pack of press-ons is like $6-7. So the press-ons alone paid for itself. And then the fact that I wanted to try this Biore cleanser is also a plus. So happy about the box. $5 well spent. Then we are going to go into my SHEIN jewelry haul. These lovely earrings you're seeing, by the way, are from SHEIN, so I'll just get into those first. Oh wow, I don't remember the cost for these. If I remember them at, hold on, I not even have to remember, because I think I tried my best to not purchase anything over $1.45. So maybe 1 and 2 something in here will pass that, but for the most part, that's what it is. If the price differs from what I'm saying, I will just put it on the screen right over here. Alright, so this is the first earring I'm going to get into, and it's basically the same as this except different shape. So I love this earring that I'm wearing. So cute, you know, will give some pizzazz to any outfit. It was a value for money kind of deal why I purchased all of these, because really and truly I don't need different shape, I same thing, but it must have been very affordable. This is not to me an everyday beat though. This is when you really go out and you want, you know, add a little something to your outfit. You pull for these kind of big earrings, and gold is my thing. I tried to get some jewelry because I realized that I don't have a lot of fashion jewelry. I just have my one gold earring and my gold chain, and I wear it everywhere all day every day. So I'm trying to, you know, jazz up this thing. Okay, so the very first set that I tried was for actually $3.45. This next set is for the same price, $3.45, and I really purchased this because of these nice pearl hoops and the other earrings that came along with it. It was a great value for money. I got maybe 10 pairs of earrings on this set in particular, and I only tried a few. There was a few knobs, a heart-shaped one that I really didn't see the need to try. I only tried a few from this set. The quality was great, and I really enjoy all of these earrings on this set. I really did. Now this earring I love. It's my favorite of all the earrings I purchased, and I love it. It was for $1. Can you believe that? This one was for $1.45. This beautiful blue, and I love it again. It's so super cute. And I purchased this set of rings for $1.45, and I really like them. They have some thumb rings, some, like, I don't remember what the top part of your finger called, some midi rings. Yeah, the midi rings. I really enjoyed the set, and I went out of my comfort zone and tried silver, and I was pleased, guys. I did not regret it any at all. I was hot in these silver earrings. Tagged to me nice. Then this black is my favorite color. This black earring I had to get into. You see how this cute, yo? I love it. Like, not tell me say black is not a color, cause I'm a favorite. Okay. Then another hoop is in the building, and I'm feeling myself. I can see this with my jeans top popping. I want me to for the silver chain. This earring was a disappointment. All right, it come mash up to begin with, and the quality was abysmal. It cute still, but may I tell you, so the quality never great, and it come with the green part break. The next thing is this ring set, and I like all of them. Some big, some small, some for thumb, some midi, some pinky rings. You want it, this set got it. Okay, then we are going to go into this silver set, and the quality of this one again was not great, guys. Was not great. It felt more like that plastic that just, you know, the silver just peels off after time. That's the kind of vibe it was giving me. But on camera it's still cute, and it was hard to bend to fit my fingers. This, my friend, I thought was a fail because it looked white and kind of murky, but it has a protective shield that I did not take off. So after I took it off, it was perfect. I tried this makeup blender I got from them as well, and it did tough, so I don't really like it. You see me? I got this tweezer too. You know, may I try, you know, up the ante with the eyelash game. So You don't know, we are gonna just try it. Just boom and put that on. You have made it to the end of another video, guys. You deserve a clap for that. Please remember to like this video because you enjoy the content, you know. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification button so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. And if you have anything to say, just drop that in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Please remember to like this video if you enjoy the content. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to like this video if you enjoy the content. Subscribe. What was that? Subscribe. Just big. The one you work out, but that one is still big.